USG sheetrock, the Dimpler drywall screw setter bit. This handy attachment transforms your average electric drill into a high-quality screw gun in a matter of seconds. After being connected, the Dimpler properly countersinks screws by preventing the screw from entering the drywall too deep and causing damage to the gypsum core of the drywall. It protects the screw head from being damaged, it extends the life of the bit, and it also features a powerful magnet that holds the screw in place regardless of how the drill is positioned. It is an excellent choice for the majority of building materials such as drywall and sheetrock, particle board, and plywood. Drill brush attachment. The drill brush is a type of drill-powered scrub brush that can be used with ordinary cordless drills as well as impact drivers. These brushes come in a wide variety of sizes and shapes and are available in 4 different color-coded stiffnesses: green, blue, soft white, stiff red, medium yellow, and ultra-stiff black to accommodate any cleaning task. Customers of drill brush range from homeowners to professional cleaners and even auto detailers, pet owners, homemakers, and several others. Self-centering plug cutter. What separates this plug cutter from others? Let's find out. This plug cutter is one of a kind due to its innovative self-centering design, which is just one of the many aspects that sets it apart from similar products. Second thing which makes it special is that it is the only plug cutter available on the market that's been designed specifically with the intention of being used with the cordless drill. Did you know that this plug cutter is not only compatible with cordless drills, but can also be used with a drill press? And if you have a Montana brand drill drive tool, you can even use it in direct connection. These are just a few of the amazing features that make this plug cutter stand out from the rest. 𝗪𝗂 TSHD Turbo Shear Heavy Duty Metal Cutting Attachment. The 𝗪𝗂 Turbo Shear Heavy Duty TSHD is an efficient tool for cutting metal sheets. It can be easily joined to a corded as well as a cordless drill depending on your preference. Moreover, electric shear attachment can make quick cuts in most prevalent sheet metals in either a straight line, a curved line, or a square shape. It has sheer expansive jaws that can function at different speeds, giving you the feeling of control. The TSHD sheet metal cutter from 𝗪𝗂 makes it simple to trim in a straight line, make cross cuts in metal roof and wall panels, and much more. Alternatively, you can slash through many metal layers, weld seams, or even the ribs of a spiral duct. Its tough carbon steel blades are strong enough to slice through mild steel as thick as 18 gauge, or what we also call 1.22 millimeters. Blades can be adjusted laterally to provide optimal performance and mobility throughout their service life. There are spare blades as well that are simple to install if ever needed. 𝗬𝗵-Magic-Flip. Because screws are so long, it's often hard to guide them in the best way when you're pinning them, but with 𝗬𝗵-Magic-Flip, you won't find it hard. With its powerful neodymium ring magnet, it can hold even the heaviest of screws, enabling work to be done with one hand. If the screw is flush with the surface of the material, the actuating sleeve will automatically spring back, showing the screw head. If needed, the screw can then be pushed further into the hole. It is also possible to disable the ring magnet by pulling the actuating sleeve in the other direction. This bit holder is solely designed to hold C6.3 bits. 𝗏𝗂 Electric Rivet Nut Gun. If you're in the automotive, construction, or home improvement industry, you know the importance of productivity and efficiency. That's where the 𝗏𝗂 Electric Rivet Nut Gun comes in. With a lightweight design and multiple nozzle sizes, you can quickly and easily install rivet nuts in a variety of materials, including sheet metal, plastic, and even wood. But that's not all. The 𝗏𝗂 Electric Rivet Nut Gun is also designed to improve efficiency. With a maximum RPM of 1,000 and a minimum torque strength of 15 newtons, you can be sure that each rivet is securely in place. And with a quick release and installation feature, you'll be able to move on to the next task in no time. But perhaps the best feature of the 𝗏𝗂 Electric Rivet Nut Gun is its convenience and labor-saving design. When connected to a drill, tasks become much easier and user fatigue is reduced. And with a compact size and weight, it's perfect for use in a variety of industrial fastening applications. So, if you're looking to increase productivity and improve your return on investment, the 𝗏𝗂 Electric Rivet Nut Gun is the perfect choice. Give it a try today and see the difference it can make in your projects. Makita Tilt Socket Adapter. This socket adapter can tilt up to 15 degrees in each direction, making itself useful for work in tight spaces. This multi-purpose adapter also performs admirably when used in the straight position as well. It is developed specifically for use with high-torque impact drivers, and it is made of high-strength steel to ensure that it will last for a longer period of time. This tilt socket adapter is perfect for a wide variety of fastening applications. Therefore, there is no need to carry two adapters because only one, the Makita tilt socket adapter, is enough to do everything. 𝗪𝗛𝗵 speed socket power drill adapter for scissor jacks. It is made of zinc-plated steel, which is resistant to corrosion and lasts for a long time. This socket is suitable to work with any power drill that has a minimum opening of 0.375 inches, and it can also be used with bit drivers that have 0.25-inch openings. Therefore, it's an incredibly flexible socket. It is designed to work with the majority of scissor jacks. If you have a power drill, you can use this special socket to extend and retract your jack up to 10 times faster than with a hand crank, which will save you both time and effort. Spider Stinger Mach Blue HSS drill bits. The Spider Stinger high-speed steel bits are suitable to use in most demanding drilling situations. Because of its Mach Blue armor-plated surface treatment and superior M-Series alloy tool steel structure, it is able to keep its cutting blade sharp for an extended period of time while also preventing excessive heat buildup. When compared to bits coated in titanium and black oxide, the Spider Stinger Mach Blue bit is capable of producing up to 100 times the number of holes per bit. Because of its 137-degree split point, it is able to start drilling effortlessly on curved and harder surfaces. Additionally, the bit is capable of drilling up to 8 times quicker than its competitors. Each bit has an impact-rated quarter-inch speed hex that is designed to avoid slipping in the chuck and to be suitable with quick-change impacting drivers. The Spider Stinger Mach Blue drill bits are highly durable and capable of drilling through steel, stainless steel, hardened alloys, and stacked materials. After all, they are made in the USA. Flush mount drill bit. Hide your installation or assembly screws like an expert with the help of the Flush Mount Drill Bit system. If you ever wanted a foolproof way to cover up unsightly installing or assembly screws, the Flush Mount Drill Bit system is for you. For screws with heads up to 0.5625 inches in diameter, this system can be set to pre-drill of 0.125-inch pilot hole and make a countersink of the same diameter. After the screw has been installed and capped, it will appear to have vanished into thin air. The Flush Mount Drill Bit system has a fine thread that allows for precise micro-adjustment of the countersink depth and a one-of-a-kind ball-bearing stop collar that regulates the depth of the recess and prevents the drill from continuing to spin once it has made interaction with the surface. The 0.5625-inch carbide cutter is standard, while optional 0.376-inch and 18mm cutters are available. In addition to the sample fast caps and power head screws, this set also features 2 replacement pilot bits, a set of replacement set screws, a thumb screw, and a plastic storage container. 𝗪𝗂 Turbo Crimper. When working with sheet metal, the 𝗪𝗂 Turbo Crimper Impact is an incredible resource. This component can crimp a wide variety of sizes, styles, and thicknesses of circular metal duct, such as spiral duct and metal stovepipe, and is compatible with a cordless impact driver of at least 12 volts DC, or a corded impact driver of up to 7 amps AC. The rapidity with which the Turbo Crimper Impact works is one of its most notable qualities. It can crimp sheet metal as much as 5 times faster than a manual crimper, saving you time and effort. It is also lightweight and compact, so it's simple to carry around in a bag while not in use. The Turbo Crimper Impact not only finishes your next project quickly, but it also helps you save time and effort. If you just want to chuck it up and start using it, no setup or adjusting is required. You'll have an advantage over the competition on your next project thanks to the time and money you'll save. Sutton Tools Easy Grind. Sutton Tools Easy Grind is the safest and fastest way to cut pipes at or below floor level. It works well on concrete slabs and hard-to-reach areas, With just one cut, Easy Grind will give you a clean, professional finish. It is capable of cutting both HDPE and PVC pipes, sizes from 40 to 80 millimeters. It can also be used on pipes such as those that are encased, pipe penetrations, conduits, stormwater, sewer, WCs, shower drains, floor wastes, downpipes, and inspection openings. Easy Grind is the safest choice because it works with a power drill and it cuts the pipe from inside, protecting the operator from blade contact. It is 3 times faster than the traditional way of cutting using a grinder. Even more, it has a diamond coating which enables it to cut through abrasive materials more smoothly. What else do you need? If you like the video, check out this video, 12 coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying.